Dear students, good morning all of you. I welcome you all to the class of English compulsory BA second year. Today we are going to deal with the first unit of semester third. The title of the unit is Fiction. In this unit we have two short stories. The first one is The Model Millionaire, written by Oscar Wilde, and the second one is The Lost Child, written by Mulkraj Anand. Today we are going to study the first story, The Model Millionaire by Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde was Irish author. This story, The Model Millionaire, first appeared in print in the newspaper The World in June 1887, and the same story was republished in 1891 as a part of an anthology entitled Lord Arthur Saville's Crime and Other Stories. The story The Model Millionaire is about the struggle of a young man, his longing for love, act of kindness, and value systems. He is moved to pity by the sight of an elderly beggar posing as a model for his artist friend. The young man is impoverished, yet he gives the beggar the largest denomination coin he has in his pocket. His act of kindness brings a life-changing response. Dear students, it was the central idea of the story, The Model Millionaire. First of all, let us deal with the perspective of the writer Oscar Wilde, and after having glanced at his perspective or background, we shall proceed ahead with the discussion of the story, The Model Millionaire. Oscar Wilde was an eminent Anglo-Irish playwright. He was novelist. He wrote certain poems. He was also regarded as a critic. Oscar Wilde was born in Ireland during Victorian period. The period of his life is 1854 to 1900. During this period, Queen Victoria was ruling over England. Therefore, that period is regarded as Victorian period. So, Oscar Wilde was an eminent Anglo-Irish playwright, novelist, poet and critic of the Victorian era or Victorian period. During his life, he tried his hand in all genres of literature, such as plays, short stories, poems, and criticism as well. When we glance at his literary career, we come to know that he wrote 9 plays, one novel, and a number of poems, short stories, and essays. So, this is how his literary career recorded 9 plays, one novel, several poems, short stories, and essays. He was born on 16th October 1854 in Dublin, and Dublin is the capital city of Ireland. His father, William Wilde, was one of the Ireland's leading medical surgeons, and his mother, Lady Jane Wilde, was a poet and master on Irish folklore. This is how Oscar Wilde was born in the well settled and educated family. His father was leading medical surgeon, and his mother was one of the Ireland's poets, and she had mastery over Irish folklore. Oscar Wilde died at the early age of 46 on November 13th, 1900. So, Oscar Wilde did not live a long life. He got short span of life, that of 46 years, and during this short span of life, Oscar Wilde could write 9 plays, one novel, several poems, essays on criticism, and so on. He was educated at Portora Royal School at Enniskillen during 1864 to 1871. Later on, he entered Trinity College, Dublin in 1871 and published his first book of poetry titled Poems in 1881. So, the first book of poems published by Oscar Wilde was entitled as Poems, and it was published in 1881. He delivered lectures on the subject of art in the United States and Canada. Oscar Wilde delivered his lectures on art in several universities and institutions in United States of America and Canada. His first and only novel, The Picture of Dorian Gray, it was published in 1891. Oscar Wilde published his first collection of poetry entitled Poems in 1881, and he published his first novel. The title of the novel was The Picture of Dorian Gray, and it was published in 1891. Some of his other successful works include Lady Wondermer's Fan. It was published in 1892. Another work is A Woman of No Importance. It was published in 1893. The next one is An Ideal Husband. It was published in 1895. And The Importance of Being Earnest. It was published in 1895. So this is how during his short span of 46 years, Oscar Wilde wrote 9 plays, 1 novel, several poems and essays, and he was regarded as a critic of his time. Oscar Wilde visited certain universities or institutions in United States of America and Canada, and there he delivered lecture on the subject of art. So dear students, this is how we have come across the perspective of Oscar Wilde, and the central idea of the story, the model millionaire, which is been included in our syllabus. The story focuses on the themes such as the struggle, love, friendship, compassion, charity, and the element of surprise as well. The story is about a young man who was good looking but penniless or poor. So after having glanced at the central idea of the story or perspective of the author, I would like to remain here. In the following class, that is on tomorrow, we shall deal with textual explanation of the story, the model millionaire. So dear students, with this I would like to conclude. Thank you very much.